What? It's very big.
Oopsies. Oh my, what's that? What's that, bro? Bro, what's that rocket? Oh yeah, I thought it was a rocket, bro. Bro, look at the.
This is the Earth.
I know this is the Earth. I think we're flying soon.
Yeah.
Wait, there's so many boats. There's so many ships.
They're very big, like a snail.
Oh no. Ah! I thought we were going down, bro. And we were going to home. Oh no. Ah! Help me, help me, we're gonna crash. Ah, help me, Oh, I thought we were gonna crash, bro. I almost freaked out.